Hello everybody, welcome to AccuReggie. I'm doing a video update on the snow because the snow is still here. It is still snowing 57 hours later since the first flakes started falling in Philadelphia. It is still snowing. I can't remember if that ever happened. I don't think that has ever happened, at least since I've been alive. And it is just a historic storm for many reasons, even though we missed out on the heaviest snow in Philadelphia. It was a monster. The main part of the storm is now over Maine and Nova Scotia, but there's plenty of light snows and moderate snows back over New York and Pennsylvania and Delaware and Jersey. Where you see the greens, the darker shades of green, that's accumulating snow. Could be 1 or 2 inch per hour snows. The light stuff here is mostly flurries, and the the darker stuff here could be accumulating up to an inch an hour. So the light snow will continue throughout the night. Some places might get an inch, a coating, a dusting. Maybe someone will get 2 inches, but the storm will be winding down eventually. What I want to show you is what happened with the storm. What sort of led to the result that we got? Well, the first question we had to answer was Philadelphia going to be included in the heavy band? And the answer to that was yes. This was a radar shot. This is off my phone at 105. You can see here 105. And it says yes. This is what it shows. We are going to be included in the heavy band. And look at the line right here. So South Jersey, not in it, but the line right along Philadelphia with the heavy precipitation from New York to Philly. And this was supposed to quickly transition to snow, and we were going to get 2 to 3 inch per hour snows. And so take whatever you have and add basically 4, 5, or 6 inches on top of that. That's what we would have gotten. But instead, this was sleet. We got 2 to 3 hours of sleet. It was heavy sleet. Those ice pellets are just ping, 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 ping. And that's where we lost out on the ability to easily get over a foot of snow. Okay? So that's what went wrong. Now I'm going to show you the next image. The next image here, this is at 3:43, okay? What happened was we changed over to snow finally, and there was a heavy band over the entire city of Philadelphia. And this is when we got our best accumulating snows. It was snowing 2 inches per hour at times. 1, 2, maybe some places were even close to 3 inches per hour. But notice to our north and east, this band right here over Allentown into West New Jersey into the Poconos was really starting to get going, and the western areas as well were in the heavy band in Reading. Chester County was getting a little bit of a dry slot along with northern Delaware. But we were getting it really good. So now it was just, okay, let's keep the band over us, all right? So, the sleet came in, fine, but let's keep the band over us so that we can just thump. Let's just keep this over us for hours, right? Did that happen? Okay? Did that happen? No, that didn't happen. So this is 6:47. About 3 hours later, the band, the really nice band, okay, it broke up. It started to break up and it weakened this whole southern part of the band. And you can see Philadelphia over the blues, but no longer greens. There is the green here wrapping around the Pennsylvania Turnpike, and that's why those areas around the Turnpike and just north and west of the city, they got a foot plus, because they kept that band going a little bit longer, and then at some places it redeveloped, particularly in this area right here where it was really dark. But look to our north and our east once again. Right over the Poconos, Allentown, Easton, Nazareth, North Jersey, into New York City, it is just dumping. They're in the heavy band. That's not moving. It stayed that way for hours, and that's why these areas got over 30 inches of snow, right? And our band, meanwhile, was breaking up. All right, so that's how it goes sometimes. Then overnight, we did get some snows. It brought a general 2 to 5 inches to us overnight. So we did a little bit of maybe a overperformance or outperformance on the overnight hours. But that's what happened. And so we'll get some more snow and overnight, and we'll just have some, we'll call it the icing on the cake, maybe the cherry on top for this extended and historic winter storm. We'll probably be doing another winter storm soon because the pattern it stays ripe. I'll keep you posted on that, but until then, enjoy the snow, and I will talk to you soon. That's the update for now. Alrighty, talk to you soon.